All right, guys. Sorry about that. All right, guys. So the next activity is called estimating the area of Nevada. So when I look at this state, I see that it looks like a rectangle with a missing triangle piece. Now I also see this little small, and I'm going to circle it, but I also see this little small area, like a little smaller rectangle area that's missing, but we're going to not worry about that for now because we're only going to estimate this area. So I see that the length or the height of this rectangle is 490 miles and the base is 320 miles. Okay, so since we're going to find the area of this rectangle, I need to multiply 320 times 490. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So 320 times 490, which would give me about, so I'm going to write this down what I did. Which would equal 156,800. And that's the area of this whole rectangle. But I want to find the area of this triangle. Now, if this side is 320 miles right here, and I'm going to highlight it for you guys, then this side will be about 320 miles. Now, before you say, hey, this kind of like goes down and so on, it still has kind of a missing piece right here. So we're still going to use that number 320 in order to find the area of this triangle, okay? So we need to know the formula for a triangle to find the area, which is 1/2 times base times height. I discussed that in the last exercise, so if you guys are interested in seeing why is it 1/2 times base times height, make sure you go visit the last video that the last question I just did. But anywho, so I'm going to multiply 270 times 320 times 1/2. Okay? So 270 times 320 times 1/2 is going to be 43,200. Now I want to take both of these values, and since this piece is missing, and I'm going to highlight the piece that's missing, I want to subtract that. Okay? So I want to subtract 43,200 from 56,800. Because remember, it's only an estimate. It's not looking for the exact area. So it's this. Oh, 3, actually, 3. So it's 113,600. Okay? Now, since that this piece right here, say this, because we're only taking an estimate. This piece right here is missing. We could actually round this number down, okay? Because this 320 didn't extend all the way over here, okay? So we want to round this down and just play it safe. We don't want to say about 115,000, but we want to say that the area of Nevada, so the area of Nevada is about, that word about is so special because it's the estimate. I know my U looks like an N, so let me fix that. Is about 110,000 square miles. All right, guys, so this will conclude our lesson. If you have any questions about this lesson or this particular question, you can always visit your manager's Google Meet session. I'll see you guys for the cool down.